Well, forgot your homework? Well, there's an app for that. We're talking about back-to-school technology, and apparently so are teachers. Brand new Tyler ISD Moore Middle School plans to allow their students to use their cell phones and some applications to help with class. 7th grade teacher Teresa Easterling says parents and students in her class could both benefit from smartphones.
Providing, hopefully, that cellular device for them is so powerful because the number of apps that are free. I mean, there are apps that teachers can download, that parents can download, and they can communicate with their teachers and with their students and keep the flow of communication going.
Ms. Easterling says the app Class Messenger is for parents, teachers, and students. It allows teachers to send messages to parents about school activities and homework reminders. Teachers can even see which parents have read every note.